If you don't like where you are, change it. You are not a tree. You often feel tired, not because you have done too much, but because you have done too little of what sparks a light in you. The sign of a beautiful person is that they always see beauty in others. Life is too short to argue and fight. Count your blessings. Love your family and friends that are always there. Smile more. Make the most of every day. 5 things to quit right now. Engaging in negative conversations. Thinking that you can't do a thing. Saying, I can't afford it. Waiting to take action. Visualizing the worst case scenarios. Think good thoughts. Say nice things. Do good for others. Everything comes back. Work hard in silence. Let success make the noise. Don't worry. Just be happy. Surround yourself with people that push you to do better. No drama or mess. Just higher goals and higher vibrations. Good times and positive energy. No jealousy. No hate. Simply bringing out the absolute best in each other. The less you respond to negative people, the more peaceful your life becomes. Never give up on something you really want. It is difficult to wait, but more difficult to regret. When you complain, you make yourself a victim. Leave the situation, change the situation, or accept it, or else is madness. Don't stress about closed doors behind you. New doors are opening if you keep moving forward. A relationship is not based on the length of time you have spent together. It's based on the foundation you have built together. The people whose first instinct is to smile when you make eye contact with them are some of Earth's greatest treasure. Do not believe the things you tell yourself when you are sad and alone. Whenever you find yourself doubting if you can go on, just remember how far you have come. Remember everything you have faced, all the battles you have won, and all the fears you have overcome. Then raise your head high and forge ahead, knowing you got this. Don't lower your standards for anyone or anything. Self respect is everything. Even though I have no idea what tomorrow will bring, I am going to think positively and hope for the best. Don't mix bad words with your bad mood. You will have many opportunities to change a mood, but you will never get the opportunity to replace the word you spoke. Do not allow the energy of negative people to affect you. You are the key to your peace of mind. Do not let others to hold it. Please don't ever lose hope. Keep going. Things will turn around when you least expect it. Just believe. The best part about life, every morning you have a new opportunity to become a happier version of yourself. Avoiding certain people to protect your emotional health is not weakness, it's wisdom.